Hey guys, it's your boy Sebastian Mota, and today we're back with another video. And today we're gonna be playing Cubo Magico 3D. In Spanish, oh I know it's Rubik's Cube 3D. But only that in Spanish it's called Cubo Mágico 3D. So we're opening that, and I'm gonna show you guys that I'm actually a little too smart at this game. So let's mix it. Okay. I'm gonna do a pyramid. I'm gonna do 2 by 2. Yeah, mix it. It's gonna be easy for me. I can solve it, guys. Wow, this is just an ad, guys. Wait, let me just take the internet off. No, I don't want to play this game. Okay, they're mixing it for me. Now it's time. Okay. Okay. Then we have to turn this like this. Wait, I don't understand anymore. Yep. There we go, 28 seconds. I don't want to try again. This time, I'm going to show you a cube, and I'm going to solve one side, which is 2 by 2. Yeah, mix it. I'm just going to solve one side because I know how to solve only one side. I don't know how to do the rest. I'm just checking at it. I'm going to do the green, guys. Okay, let's go. Okay. There you go. I got green, guys. Let me do white. Let me see where's white. Let's see where's the other white cube. Okay, see it? No. There we go. Got it, guys. Now red. Oopsie. There we go. Well, now let's do a really big one, which is 3 by 3. Let me do the green color because I'm actually really good at see. Let me see. Where's the green in the middle? Okay, here it is. So now I just have to turn this like this. Oh, wait. Let me see, where do I... Okay, I just need the corner, which is... Turn it around. Oh, wait, no. We just need the middle, guys. What am I doing? There we go. I got green, guys. Let's do a harder one from pyramid. A 3 by 3. Yes, mix it up. Let me see if I could do one side. Yeah, I got yellow. Okay. Let's put yellow here. Switch it. What is the easiest cube? Oh, 8 by 8. Could I solve a side from 8 by 8? No, it's too hard. How about 8x8 pyramid? Oh my god. Just zoom in. I'm Ethan even automatic. I'm doing the red. But it's so hard. Oh, I got it. Oh, it's too hard. How about 2x2, 2x2, 2x2? I'm gonna solve green. This could be a little hard, but not that much. Oh yeah. I know it's easy. I know it's a little easy, but not that much because, yeah, like that, and then turn it around twice. Oh, here's there we go. We just need the last one. And where is it? Oh my gosh. It's right. Oops. I got it. I got green. Don't look at 8x8. Wow, that is so hard. I'm looking at it. How to. Let's go. It's so hard to move it. How do you even move it? I just cancel. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if I didn't solve them. I was just showing you guys I could solve one side. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe, please hit the bell, please share, please comment, and we'll see you all guys next time. Bye.